I am going to attempt a get ready with me announcement because I have some exciting news. I am launching my very own brand. I also owe you a huge thanks because everyone that has supported and been with me along this journey that I've been on social media has helped me to this point. My dream of being part of the cosmetics industry started back when I was 12 years old. So I am just beyond excited to have this opportunity and to share it with you. Y'all have influenced me, inspired me, uplifted me, and made it possible because dreams can come true. So I must thank you because I must also thank my family and the friends that are very loyal to me. Thank you so much for being a special part of this journey with me. And I hope you will join me for the next part of the journey because this is where it gets exciting. Now I can have you along with me to share the story. With all the thank yous out of the way, I want to announce the name of my new cosmetics line. It is Fable Cosmetics. The Fable story starts with my very own setting powder. This powder is absolutely amazing. This is my own blend of very special ingredients, which is talc-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and clean. It is absolutely amazing, and I'm putting it on so you can see the magic and the power of this powder. It is lightweight and it has a blend of ingredients that's called Moisture Boost to keep it from cracking, getting cakey, or settling into fine lines and wrinkles. Look at just how blurred my face is. It's such a beautiful powder, and I have mature skin, and that just made my skin turn back about 10-15 years. It just blurs and perfects, and it locks in your makeup. So look at how perfect. I am way up close to you without a filter. And this is how the finish turns out. It does not blur your glow. It just blurs any imperfections and makes your face look like porcelain. We are live now, and you can go and check out the product line if you'd like. I would really appreciate you taking a look and giving me feedback. It would mean the world to me to have your opinion. It's on our other socials. They're all linked. So I hope you'll join me on this very special journey and become part of the story. It's always more fun with friends.